You make your mistakes, you lose something, and you come back again. These boys are learning it the hard way.
Well, that's how you learn. You play and play, you make mistakes, and finally, you learn to not make mistakes. You talk about the chances that just we saw. This was the moment for Nirajan, the two of the defenders colliding with each other, only for the opposition to pass the ball. Here now, was an attack being built?
Simanta had brought down the Bangladeshi player. He seems apologetic. The Nepali centre-back, Simanta. It's going to be a free kick there for Bangladesh. It can be quite dangerous as the players like Rustum Dukumia and Piyush Nova arriving in the box. And that can be quite dangerous for Nepal with the delivery from Rabi Hussain.
It's a cross. That goes wide for Bangladesh. The crowd is roaring. It was a chance. What a chance that was.
What a header that was from the Bangladeshi defender. I was talking about Rustam Dukumia. His tall demeanor. He can be quite dangerous there in the set-piece scenarios against Nepal. Bangladesh now in the forefront. Moving in front is the right winger. Combining there the Bangladeshi midfielders. And now Mirajul trying to set up Dukumia. And that is going to be a goal kick here. As we can see, Bangladesh slowly but steadily, they're trying to build themselves up. They're trying to be accustomed.
There is a substitution. Lachu Thapa, who has been introduced in this game, will be substituted with Anil Bomjom. It's an early sub. There might have been some injury concern for Lachu Thapa, the twin brother of Ram Thapa. It will be Anil Bomjom from here on. The first change comes from the Nepali side. Nepal now trying to build another attack. Bangladesh winning the ball possession. Rabi Rahul on the ball from the far side, trying to cut in with a heavy touch. Kushal makes that important interception. Now, layoff was brilliant by Nirajan Dhami. Couldn't just get to Samir. Pal once again going for the ball. Bangladesh, wonderful take by Mirajul Islam. Mirajul passing the ball to Ashraful Molla, and that will not be of any use. That will just run out. A game this.
Sabin Ghimire has been not playing his best football today. He's losing his positioning. He's not there in the right positioning there. And Sabin has to improve his game in the left back position. Perhaps the final fever has caught him. And now Nepal going forward. Kushal switching on the right. Nepal approaching.
On the attack. Nepal from the far side. Beautiful pass, and that is a long ranger. Once again, wide. No problem for Mohammad Asif. Did he take it too long?
Trying to be quite inventive, the